Mission Bay was big. He hammered that. Get out of the rocks, bro. Get out. Dude, whatever this is big, bro. He does not want to come out. Dude, this dude does not want to come out, bro. He's still on, bro. He's still on. No, he didn't, bro. Dude, whatever this is came out. Oh, it's right there, bro. I see it. What is that, bro? It's a fucking spotty, bro. Big ass spotty, bro. He came out. After like an hour, bro. Oh my god, bro. That's a fucking monster spotty. Bro! He came out, bro. Damn. I thought I was about to snap it off, bro. He came out. That's a new PB, bro. That is a tank spotty, bro. I was about to snap it off. I was like, oh, I just snagged, bro. Dude, look at the fucking spotty. Tank. Bro, look at that. Tank, bro. Alright, I'm gonna let him go, bro. Release on this tank spotty, bro. One last look, bro. There he goes, bro. He's gone. Alright, bro. So to explain what just happened is I cast it out. And then I felt like I got bit, so I was like, whatever, set the hook. And I just feel like it pulling. And it went into the rocks, and after a while I was like, dude, I'm just gonna break it off because I don't even feel like am I even on something, or am I just, or do I just think like I got something on? It was just stuck in the rocks down there deep. And I just felt like, I was like, I don't know, I think we'll just break it off. So I tried, I was already like pulling the line, like I'm gonna break it off. But I feel like it's still head shaking. So I'm like, oh, maybe a stingray? I don't know. So I just stayed on the rock. I just was like, well, maybe it comes out, maybe it doesn't. But I'm already trying to break it off. I don't know. And then I feel like it came out of the rocks. I gave it slack. It came out of the rocks. I seen it surface, and I'm like, oh shit, there is something on there. But you could tell the spotty was all tired because he wasn't really fighting no more. And yeah, bro, fucking landed him, fucking tank. But that's definitely new PB. I'm surprised I didn't break off because he was in those rocks, bro, just rowing his head. That is crazy, bro. Look at the hook, bro. Look how bro, look at that, bro. That's crazy though, bro. Like I said, for a while I was like, dude, I'm on, bro. I think I'm on something. But then I was like, nah, it's probably just I'm on the rocks, and I think I'm on. And after a while, bro, just being patient, that fucking dude came out, bro. He surfaced, and I was like, oh shit. Like I said, I was already trying to pull a line, snap it off, like, ah, fuck this. And he came out, bro. Alright, we are hooked up. Let's go. Feels like a little spotty. Let's go. Little spotty, I think. Yeah, spotty. Let's go. Little spotty. First one. Hook up number 2. Probably a spotty. Yeah, spotty.